So electron affinity. So first one is electron affinity. So electron affinity, it is denoted with EA, or it is also known as electron gain enthalpy. Electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy. It is the amount of energy releases. Amount of energy is releases when one electron is added to outermost orbit of isolated gaseous neutral atom is called electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy. So it is the amount of energy. It is the amount of energy releases. Amount of energy is released when addition of electron. What is addition of electron? Addition of electron is called electron affinity. So for example, X is the gas. It is the neutral atom. It is a neutral atom. So then plus one electron, addition of one electron. So neutral atom converted into uni-negative ion, X minus, because it gain of electron. And some amount of energy is releases. The releasing energy is electron affinity 1, because addition of first electron, it is electron affinity. So it is the uni-negative. It is the uni-negative ion. Uni-negative ion. So now this is the released energy. It is the released energy. What is the released energy? It is released energy, then delta H is the negative. Delta H is the negative. So then delta H negative means it is the minus EA. So then it is the exothermic process. It is the exothermic. It is the exothermic. So first electron affinity is the exothermic. Okay, now then if we take what is uni-negative ion, so it is the uni-negative ion. Addition of second electron. What is addition of second electron? Uni-negative ion converted into di-negative ion. What is a di-negative ion? It is the di-negative ion. But in this process, heat of energy is not released. Heat of energy is absorbed, required. So then it is the minus EA2. Minus EA2. So minus EA2 means absorb the energy. Absorbed energy. So it means delta H is the positive. So this reaction is endothermic. What is it? Is the endothermic. So first electron affinity is releasing energy. It is the exothermic. Second electron affinity is absorbed energy. It is the endothermic. Why second electron affinity is endothermic? Because already it is the uni-negative ion. Its charge is negative. Then addition of electron. Electron charge also negative. Both are same charges. Then repulsion between uni-negative ion and electron. Then the amount of energy is required for the overcome the repulsion between uni-negative and electron. Uni-negative and electron. It is simply electron affinity. So now what are the units? What are the units of electron affinity? These units are similar to ionization potential. What are kilocalorie per mole or kilojoule per mole? What is kilojoule per mole? Or electron volt per atom? What is electron volt per atom? These are the units. Okay. So now variation of electron affinity in groups and periods. First one is in periods. What is in periods? So actually in periods from left to right, atomic size what happens? Decreases. If size decreases, nuclear attraction increases. So then electron affinity also increases. It means simply electron affinity, it is the inversely proportional to size. And it is directly proportional to nuclear charge. Electron affinity is inversely proportional to size and directly proportional to nuclear charge. So in periods from left to right, what is from left to right, electron affinity values increases. Because size what happens to decreases. For example, let us consider second period elements. What is second period elements? What are second period elements? Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and what is neon? Actually, noble gases electron affinity values almost zero because these are stable configuration with octet configuration. Left to right, what happens? Electron affinity increases. So then Li is less than, Be is less than, B less than, C less than, N less than, O less than, what is a F? So then it is the noble gas. So then it is fluorine with highest, electron affinity? Lithium is the lowest electron affinity. So alkali metals with lowest electron affinity, halogens with highest electron affinity. So same as, let us consider third period elements. What are sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, what is chlorine? From left to right increases. So then less than. So then chlorine with highest, sodium with least, lithium also least. So now chlorine. Actually in this periods, some elements with actually electron affinity values negative, but some elements with positive electron affinity values. What are positive electron affinity values? Beryllium, magnesium, and also what is nitrogen, and also what is phosphorus, and also what is noble gases. What are noble gases? These are all positive electron affinity. So these are positive electron affinity values. So now variation of electron affinity in groups. Actually in groups from top to bottom, size what happens? Increases. So size inversely proportional to what is electron affinity. So from top to bottom in periods, from down the group, from down the group, electron affinity values, what happens? Decreases, because size is increases. So now, for example, let us consider sixth group elements. What are sixth A group? So oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and what is polonium. So top to bottom, oxygen decreases, sulfur, top to bottom, electron affinity values, what happens? Decreases. Same as what is the seventh A group elements, for example. What is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. But in seventh group elements, one exception is there, that is the fluorine less than chlorine. So it means chlorine is greater than fluorine, because fluorine with small size. So then very small size, repulsion forces are more. Due to very small size and the repulsion forces are more, so the electron affinity of chlorine is greater than fluorine. So it is the one exception. What is the exception? So it is the electron affinity. What is electron affinity? So the amount of energy is released when add the one electron from isolated gaseous neutral atom. Okay. So now the elements with positive charges, what is beryllium, magnesium, nitrogen, phosphorus, and noble gases. The highest electron affinity element is what is chlorine. It is a non-metal. Least electron affinity with non-metal is the phosphorus. Okay, so then it is electron affinity.